So you can see, we're in the car. Not the 240. And if you know enough about cars, you can probably tell what this is just by looking at the rear seats. What else? You know, I showed it in the last video at the end. So if you've seen the last video, you know what it is probably. You should know at least, because it's pretty good, obvious hint. But yeah, I guess I can introduce it in this video, right? Cause what's the last video? Yeah, okay. The last video I gave a little hint, but I mean, it really wasn't a hint. I just showed you what the car was without showing you what the car was. So in this video, we can go over it, introduce it, and the plans with it. And as you can see, the 240 is there. Give it a little zoom in. Yeah, 240. That's another little hint there until I got the car. It should be obvious enough. I'm just going to go ahead and do one of these for you. Oh, I can't do that. Yeah, matter of fact, where's my... No, I'm not rich, so I had to take what I can get. And this was what I could afford. Nothing crazy. 3.67 V6. I think they call it Vortex, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, give it a little cold start. You know, little V6, nothing crazy. One day I'll be able to afford a V8, maybe get a S5 50 or whatever. You know, I took what I could get, and I ended up with this. So without further ado, let's hit one of these. Oh, I'm trying montage in this video. Yeah, let's try that then. I don't know what I'm finna do, but you know, I'm gonna try. Before I do a montage though, this car dirty as hell. Maybe, oh, I could do one of the washing montages. Those things be satisfying as hell. I'm gonna do that then. Here you have the finished product. I don't have any towels to dry it off because I did at first, but I don't know where they are now. Need some new ones. But yeah, a 2011 Mustang GT. Yeah, just got it about 3 weeks ago now, 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. I got some small plans for this for now, nothing crazy. Already got a few things for it. So far I've changed the antenna to a shorty one, and that's really about it. I guess I can show the inside. Off camera, I'll try to change the shift knob, mess it up completely. I gotta buy another one now. That's how good my luck is. Yeah. Just nothing crazy. Just nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. All stock, because I just got it, of course. But yeah. Cute little 5.0. I mean, this car's been out 10 years now, so I mean, everybody knows everything about it pretty much. This ain't nothing new to anybody, I would assume. But yeah, new to me. Another one of my dream cars, you could say. Maybe just about the 2013 GT 500 and the Boss 302 are my top 10. So I mean, it's just a base model of those two, kinda, sorta, in a way. What? I would make this into one of those if I wanted to. This is the plan, at least. Yeah. And so for right now, try to do shift knob, mess that up, gotta order a new one. Got a shorty antenna. And I mean, pretty much everything I need It's already here. 2 tins in the back. Came with the car. The car came from Texas actually. Yeah, pretty clean. Not nothing crazy. In the house, I have some louvers for the quarter window, quarter glass, whatever you can call it. I got muffler deletes. I have a new intake and what else I got? Quarter glass louvers, the intake, the axle deletes. That's it, huh? Oh, I got a grill. Jesus Christ, memory is trash. Yeah, I guess we can go in there and look at that real quick. Here we have the massive living room of a car guy. Car parts everywhere. We have the louvers. I'm not gonna take it out now because I'll put it back up. Louvers, the grill, muffler deletes, which I might put on now because it's simple, 1 bolt and done. The intake in here and the old antenna. Oh, I also got a key fob too, newer key fob. But I got to get that cut. Oh, the heck is this? Is there anything in here? Nothing. So many car parts for 2 cars. I'm getting lost in everything now. So yeah, I might throw the muffler deletes on real quick actually, just cause yeah, muffler deletes car. Let's give a cold start again from outside the car. Yeah, stock exhaust, nothing crazy. I'm gonna try to get these off real quick, then pull out the new exhaust, throw it on real quick. It shouldn't take too long, 30 minutes maybe. Try to back the car up, be easier. But yeah, this car's pretty hot, so I don't have to right now. So let me try to get this exhaust off. I'm gonna see real quick. Ground's still wet. I don't want to get wet. You can't even see me. Let me just take this off the gun and try it. Alright, probably been having 15 minutes later, got both the mufflers off. Didn't even have to jack the car up. Really did it with 1 tool, and that's a 13 on the half inch. Is it a half inch? I think it's, nah, it's not half. Is it a half inch 13 with a ratchet? Take a little bit of finesse, but got them out. Didn't have to use any other tools for that. Now let's go look at the new exhaust, or new mufflers. And here we have the new mufflers, straight through, straight pipe, whatever you want to call it. These are the MB-RPs from American Muscle. So nothing crazy. Should just slide right back on and be done. I got the not the stainless steel, but the black finish because I don't chrome. Don't get you home, if you know what I mean. Ha. Yeah, that's cringy. But yeah, let me throw these on real quick and then get another sound clip. Alright, got everything bolted up. Axles, back, what do you even call it? Actual back exhaust. I boosted it up. But yeah, let's give it another cold start. See how it sound now. Oh boy, that sounds good as hell. Make sure there's no exhaust leak real quick. Nothing. Give it a little rev quick. Oh yeah. Oh, we live, baby. Let me go. I gotta make a run real quick, so I'm gonna end this video later. We'll take for a drive. I need a GoPro and stuff so I can do some driving videos, but I'll be right back whenever I get done what I gotta do. New day. Alright, don't do that. Wait. I've got the keys. No, I have them, don't I? Do I? Okay. Keys, there they go. Alright. I leave that open. You can see, probably can tell, another day. It's been a few days since the last clip, which was me putting the exhaust on. Yeah, there's a. Well, you know it's done already. The code. You can code start real quick. Probably not, maybe. Oh, it is. Let me get a tripod real quick. Okay, come here. Watch out. Be loud.
Jesus Christ.
So yeah, co-start. I don't know, last video I co-start, I think. But yeah, been a few days since then. I drove on it Love the sound. Can't complain. Also install louvers on the quarter glass. And also one hand. Oh no. One hand. Horrible out there. I put the intake on. What is this? SR from American Racing. Nothing crazy. This is the intake. Instead of the original one. I need to watch it in here too already. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Nothing crazy. I got a GoPro. So I'm gonna do a ride along video. Ride along? POV drives? Whatever you call them. I got a head mount. Alright. So hopefully next video I can do a POV driving the Mustang. So let's get a few revs in because I know it's warm now. Alright, that's all.